Alright, y'all. So, progress. We're making progress. Today we made progress. Alright. So, here go the back of the car. Finna get ready to lay this kill mat down. And we're going to do it all the way up to right here. You see where I had to cut the tunnel right there to get the transmission fit. So we're only going to put the kill mat where you see the black at. So, then after that, we're going to work on the front. I'm debating right now to just go ahead and get another piece and cut this piece off and weld it, or tack weld around where I cut it at and build up some weld around there and just build up the weld, because we are going to go ahead and get another floor pan for the front, but it probably won't be about 2 years from now. So I don't want to go and buy a piece of a tunnel, which I can buy a piece of a tunnel and weld it on there myself and do all that. Probably waste $200 or $300 to build a tunnel. But I might just cut a tunnel out of the Tahoe I got back here in the backyard because it's scrap. Cut the tunnel out of that and weld it over here, weld it on top of this one, or not. I might just do that. But anyway, so we're gonna lay the kill mat down. That's the first piece I got so far. So I'm getting ready to lay it down. Let me show you guys. I did get the transmission up in there, my boy. Y'all see? I got that CCP cross member up in there. I did have to modify it just a little bit, and I mean just a little bit. But it's up in there, and it sits straight. It seems like it's straight, pretty straight to me. Put that drive shaft in there once I get my flange in for right there for that yoke, right there for that three bolt flange. When I get it in, put that drive shaft in, and yeah, we getting that thing in there, man. Oh, and I gotta tighten the torque converter bolts up too. So, but that's about it, man. We making progress. We getting it in. We definitely getting it in. And so y'all just stay tuned, and I'll let y'all see what it look like after I get the kill mat in. And yeah, we getting it. Cool it out, baby. Alright, make sure I got that door closed. Alright, y'all, I'm almost done with this kill mat. Let me show y'all what I'm working with. Boy, almost done. Alright, that's from the back there, all the way to right there. Alright, so tomorrow I'm gonna go ahead and tackle that weld, get my weld out here and go cut me some metal so I can put around that tunnel, trans tunnel. And then I'm gonna shoot some paint down here. When I use the spray paint for the floor, I just put a light coat, not heavy, because if I put a heavy coat, then there ain't no use to putting this down, because this right here just gonna sit on top of it and peel it up, and it's gonna be loose. So I put a real light coat, and then I go back with the heating gun and heat it up into the metal and stuff. So that way, when it dry, when this get down, and I use this dyno mat with the heat gun too. I use the heat gun on this also, and when I get done with that, it should all stick, because there ain't nothing but tar up under this dyno mat, so it'll be all tarred up and sticky and stuff. So we almost there, man. Look, my intentions was just to pull the carpet back a little bit, cut right there with the trans tunnel, weld it so my transmission can push up in there. But like I said, man, as soon as we pull the carpet back, I seen some stuff that I didn't like, that I said, you know what, I can go on and tackle that shit now, and we ain't got to worry about it for a couple of more years, about 8-9 more years, and she can ride. You know what I'm saying? So we almost there, man. I'm just showing y'all what's going on with it, and I'm finna start putting after I tackle that right there and get the kill mat, the dyno mat down and everything, and get the interior back in, and then I'm gonna head back up there to the LS motor and start putting accessories on so we can get ready to run the wire harness and get ready to try to crank this thing and everything. And I'm gonna show y'all some things on the drive shaft that if you own one of these 63 Impalas, I think 64 too, you're gonna need this special part for the drive shaft. So I'm gonna show y'all, man. So y'all stay tuned in, and I'll get back at y'all later, man.